happy Diwali to you also. Yes, we will definitely come. Yes, sure. Okay, bye. I'll call you later. Since that decoration while Bhaiya is calling me. Okay, bye. Hello, Bhaiya, where are you? It's Diwali today.
Give me, I was playing with it. Give me, give me.
Keep quiet.
Give me.
No,
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 I am playing with it.
I'm waiting for you.
Give me.
No.
Give me,
Yes.
mother.
Don't you're not talking on phone. Keep quiet.
You are always on phone.
Yes.
Don't you see they're teasing me? You never tell them anything.
What's wrong with you people? Tell me now what do you want?
You haven't done my braid yet. I have to go to my friend's house.
We also have to go to our friend's house.
And when I have new toys, you promised us that we will get new toys on Diwali. Yes, I want a Barbie doll.
I want a cricket kit.
And I want a bicycle.
No, I want a bicycle.
I said it first.
I said it first.
Keep quiet.
You keep
Keep
quiet.
quiet, I will give you slap. Stop it. What are you doing? See, mom have got many toys for them. Still they're asking for toys on Diwali.
This is our fault. This is what we have taught. No need to scold them. You go, I will handle that.
I want a cricket kit. And I want a bicycle.
No, my children, Diwali is not about new clothes or new toys. Do you know why we celebrate Diwali?
No.
We celebrate Diwali because on this day Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya. Do you know who is Lord Rama?
Yes, the one who killed Ravana.
Right, but why he killed Ravana?
Maybe for Sita.
Yes, for Sita. Right. So Diwali is about family, it's about love, it's also about homecoming. But nowadays people develop wrong notions about this pious day. What wrong notions are becoming? Wrong notions. Okay, let me tell you a story. Once there lived a joint family.
Joint family? What is joint family?
You will get to know through this story. Come, let us start.
Hold it like this. What is this? This is a new toy for you. New toy. Thank you.
Is this the new toy?
Yes.
Give it to me.
No.
I said give it to
No,
me.
I want it.
If you don't give, I will take it. Give me,
No.
give me.
No. Bhaiya. Are you hurt? Come, let us go to mother. What happened to both of you? Mother, they were fighting with us. He pushed me also. Oh, nothing happens. Come sit. They are very bad. We will never talk to them ever again. It's okay, my dear. Nothing happens. They are your brother and sister only. They are not your brothers and sisters. They are just our cousins. Yes, yes, right. No, never think like that. Don't bring such things in your mind. And it's not a big deal. We must learn to live and eat together and never fight again. Okay? Okay, mother. Mother!
What happened to both of you?
They both were fighting with us.
What? He tried to push me also. How dare he? He pushed my son. Are you hurt?
No, he got more hurt.
How?
Because of Putin mother.
That's like my son.
Very good.
वैसे भी वो कौन सा तुम्हारे सगे भाई बहन है?
Okay, now go change your clothes. I'll bring you something delicious to eat.
And you would dare not share it with them. Okay?
Okay, mother.
देवी लक्ष्मी आप कहाँ खोई हैं? कुछ नहीं देवी सरस्वती, बस ऐसे ही। अब जानती है, अधिकतर लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि विद्या केवल विद्यालयों में प्राप्त होती है, परंतु विद्या का पहला चरण तो घर एवं घर वालों से प्राप्त होता है। शिक्षा देने की सबसे पहली जिम्मेदारी माता पिता की, और केवल माता पिता की ही क्यों, घर के हर बड़े सदस्य की है।
आप बिल्कुल सही कह रही देवी लक्ष्मी। विद्यालय में तो बच्चे देर से ही प्रवेश करते हैं। उनसे पहले तो उनके अध्यापक उनके माता पिता ही होते हैं। और वैसे भी विद्यालय में तो बच्चे सिर्फ निश्चित समय के लिए जाते हैं, उनका अधिक समय तो घर पे ही व्यतीत होता है।
अर्थात बच्चों की शिक्षा का आरंभ बहुत ही कम आयु में हो जाता है। जैसे कि हमने अभी देखा कि एक ही परिवार के बच्चों को अपनी अपनी माताओं द्वारा कितने विपरीत संस्कार प्राप्त हुए हैं।
उचित कह रही हैं आप। अब हमें ये देखना है कि इस दीपावली पर ये माताएं अपने बच्चों को क्या शिक्षा देती हैं।
What does this Neha think of herself? Is she a goddess? That she always has to become good in other side? Everybody thinks that she's so kind and polite, but I know her true face. She's so evil. And everybody thinks that I'm the one who is evil. Oh goddess Lakshmi, I love you the most. I don't understand what else people believe when you're in their house. Of course, money is everything. Money can buy you big houses, cars, jewelry. Money is the real key to success. A human does not need anything apart from money. Everyone is stupid.
Thank you, God, for everything. Thank you, Goddess Lakshmi, Goddess of wealth, for bestowing us with everything that we ever needed. All I pray is, Ma Saraswati, Goddess of wisdom and art, to shower her blessings on my family and our children. Because I know to make one's life beautiful, both wealth and wisdom are required. Wealth fulfills all your greed, but wisdom frees you from that greed itself. Oh God, bless my family with both wealth as well as wisdom.
Hey, is there someone at home? कौन है? क्या है?
I am not having for last 2 days. Can you give me something to eat?
How dare you? What do you think? Am I your servant? Get lost from here. Don't make my house dirty. It's Diwali today. Go, go. पता नहीं कहाँ से आ जाते हैं.
रुकिए जरा, अब यही बैठिए, मैं आपके लिए कुछ खाने के लिए ले आती हूँ. Thank you. So nice of you that you fed me on Diwali. Why are you saying like this? Diwali is not just for us, it's for everyone. Diwali हर व्यक्ति का त्योहार है. एक ही घर में कितने अलग अलग विचार के लोग रहते हैं. May Goddess Lakshmi bless you. Why only Goddess Lakshmi? Bless me with both. Goddess Lakshmi as well as Goddess Saraswati. May God bless you.
What do you think of yourself? Are you a goddess? So what do you want to show that you are the greatest when an ant table? Why do you always have to act like you are the greatest?
No, Didi, there is nothing like this. Diwali is not just for us, it's for everyone.
Enough. Don't you get tired by faking your greatness and kindness?
Isha, what's wrong with you? Why are you talking to her like this? She's like your younger sister.
Yes, yes, you also support her only. No one understands me in this house. Everybody thinks that I am the evil one. Now I'm not going to stay here for a second. I'm leaving.
No, Didi, please don't go. Please.
Go away, don't touch me.
Leave Neha, let her go.
No, look, she's going. Please stop her.
You go inside, I'll talk to you.
Everybody thinks that I am the evil one. No one understands me. सबको मैं ही बुरी लगती हूँ. Now I'm not going to stay here for a second.
Isha, I do not want to say too much. I just want you to think wisely before taking any action. मुझे पता नहीं तुम्हारे मन में लेकर उसको क्या नफरत है. She's like your younger sister. Isha, drop your anger and think wisely before taking any action. I'm leaving.
I'm so glad that you came. So tell me, how is everyone at home?
Yeah, everyone at home is fine. But I want to tell you one thing, that while I was coming to home, I overheard your neighbors who were gossiping about the fight that took place today. And I don't understand what's wrong with this Isha. And why is she always behind you? And she speaks much because you remain quiet.
No, sister, don't think like that. She's like our elder sister. I know she gets angry sometimes, but it's okay.
I don't understand what I am made of. Listen to me. No one will understand you until you don't fight for yourself. And you never fight for yourself or for your family. See, today Isha was talking about leaving the house and tomorrow she will throw you and your family out of the house. What would you do then?
Oh, वो तुम ज़्यादा ही सोच रही हो. Nothing like this is going to happen.
But
Okay, now leave all of this. Let's eat and talk something.
okay.
अधिकतर लोगों के पास नेत्र होते हुए भी वे अंधे हैं। भगवान समझने और सुधरने का मौका हर व्यक्ति को देते हैं, परंतु उस मौके को पहचानने के लिए नेत्र सदैव खुले रहने चाहिए।
उचित कह रही है आप, किंतु नेत्र भी वे कैसे खुले रखें, क्योंकि आजकल हर कोई एक दूसरे को दोषी ठहराने में ही लगे हुए हैं, चाहे वो इंसान हो या भगवान। ईशा के पास सुधरने का मौका है अगर वो अपने भाई की बात पर गौर करे, और दूसरी ओर नेहा भी अपनी बुद्धि भ्रष्ट कर सकती है अगर वो अपनी छोटी बहन की बात सुन ले।
परंतु बुद्धि तो उसी को प्राप्त होती है जो अपने घर में लक्ष्मी के साथ साथ सरस्वती की भी कामना करे, क्योंकि आप तो ज्ञान और वृद्धि की देवी हैं। जिस घर में केवल मैं यानी लक्ष्मी ही होंगी परंतु आप यानी ज्ञान नहीं होगा, उस घर में धन भी नहीं रुक पाएगा। इसी हेतु जिस घर में हम दोनों की आराधना होगी वही घर रहने लायक होगा और वहीं पर खुशियां निवास करेंगी।
मैं कामना करती हूँ कि ईशा जल्द ही अपनी बुद्धि को सुधारे और अपने बच्चों को उचित संस्कार दे।
Neha, yes.
Where are you going?
I am going to the market to buy some toys and gifts.
Oh, I also have to buy some toys and gifts.
So let's go together then.
Together?
Yeah.
By the way, where are you going?
I know someone. I'm going to his shop.
Aren't you going to the biggest shop in city? What's the name of that shop? Yeah, Singh and Sons.
No, I'm not going there.
Okay, do whatever you want. I don't want people to think that I still fight with you.
No, Didi, there is nothing like this.
Do as you wish. I don't have full day to convince.
Father, today a lot of customers are coming at our shop. We will earn a lot of money and today we'll party. Yay!
Of course we will have a party, and while it's the party, I was thinking of something more also.
What else?
I was thinking to buy a new car. All my friends have bought something new on Diwali.
Which one you are going to buy?
You tell which one you want to buy.
Audi?
Okay, fine.
Promise?
Promise. Now you can go and play.
Yeah, today no one has come to our shop. What we will do, how we will celebrate Diwali.
Do not worry, Diwali is for everyone. कोई ना कोई तो जरूर आएगा.
But look, everyone is going to sing and dance only.
Not everyone. God will send someone to our shop also. Just wait.
Okay, fine.
Leave all these. Simi, what do you want to eat today?
Gulab jamun?
ठीक है, we will have gulab jamun. Go inside and get ready.
Are you blind or what? See, you have broken it.
Don't you know how to talk to your customers?
What is happening here?
Let me check.
Isha Didi, आप?
Oh, you are Neha. And you are Isha. I have heard a lot about your fights. You talk to your sister-in-law like this. How can you talk to her just politely?
How dare you talk to my sister like that? Come, Didi, let's go to a better shop.
Neha,
Yes.
I'm really sorry for whatever I have done. Today I got to know that money cannot buy happiness until we don't have love in our heart.
It's okay, Didi, nothing happens. Let's burn the past and evilness on this Diwali and have a bright and day.
Okay, let's go.
So nice to see you both together like this.
देखा देवी सरस्वती, जैसा हम सोचा था बिल्कुल वैसा ही हुआ.
बिल्कुल देवी लक्ष्मी, ईशा का ऐसा हृदय परिवर्तन देखकर हमें बहुत खुशी हुई. इससे ये ज्ञात होता है कि अगर हम सुधरना चाहें तो सुधरना मुश्किल नहीं है.
अब मैं यही कामना करती हूँ कि ईशा अपना यह व्यवहार कभी ना बदले. हम सभी के अंदर कहीं ना कहीं एक ईशा और एक नेहा उपस्थित है. इस दीपावली हमें यह प्रण लेना चाहिए कि हम अपने अंदर की नेहा को प्रज्वलित करें और अपने अंदर की ईशा अर्थात रावण को जलाकर भस्म करें.
मैं कामना करती हूँ कि इस दीपावली के पश्चात जब भी कोई मंदिर में दिया जलाए तो न केवल लक्ष्मी बल्कि लक्ष्मी और सरस्वती दोनों की आराधना करें.
तो इस दीपावली हमने यह सीखा कि हृदय में प्यार और अधरों पर मुस्कान ऐसे ही मनाना चाहिए हर त्योहार.